Being a content creator is something that many of us want to pursue, but we really don't know where to start. Whether you're a beginner or even an expert in social media, in this video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to become a content creator, so let's dive in. Hey everyone, I'm Alana, and I help aspiring creators grow while they work a 9-to-5 job or they're going to school. There are steps that you want to follow when you're beginning your content creation journey. The first step is to define your niche. We hear this term quite often, and so what I want you to actually do is define your passion. What gets you excited that you want to share with others? What I don't want you to do is to hop on a trendy niche that you know you are not going to be passionate about. That is going to show in the content that you create, and it's going to make the whole process dreadful for you. With over 7 billion people in the world, you can make content about anything that you want, because when you're passionate about what it is you're creating, it's going to resonate with other people and you're going to build a community. Once you've defined your passion, now it's time to research your audience. Understanding your audience is crucial in your content creation journey. First, take a look at what is it other creators in your niche are doing. What types of videos are they posting? Are they educational? Are they lifestyle? And take note of what value are those creators sharing with their audience, and how are they engaging on their platforms. It's important to take some time to do your research, but what I don't want you to do is to get stuck in the research black hole. The research black hole is when you're tricking your mind into thinking that you're being productive, but you aren't making actual progress. Because what you're doing is you're essentially delaying the content creation process. Either because you're a perfectionist and you want everything to be perfect, you believe that I need all the right gear before I can truly get started. You don't want to record yourself on camera. You don't truly fully understand the full content creation process, so you want to do your research first. And so many more reasons why people delay taking action. The only way you're going to get better at doing something is with practice. You have to take action in order to improve. And if you're just watching video after video after video, but you're not putting into practice what it is you are learning, you are hindering yourself. Now, once you figured out what you're passionate about and you've done a little bit of research, now it's time to choose what platforms do you want to use. Whether that be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, I want you to pick 1 to 2 platforms to get started on. My personal recommendation is to either choose between TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook Reels, and YouTube. What I love about YouTube is creators can make videos and get so many views down the line. It could be 3 years from a video that they created and they still get views every single day. Now, with YouTube being one of the platforms that you want to start off with, if you want to grow quickly, I would personally recommend choosing TikTok to begin. If you're looking to focus more on building community and maybe taking a slower approach, then I would choose Instagram. Looking to create income and grow quickly, then personally I would recommend choosing starting off with TikTok and Instagram and then incorporating YouTube down the line. Now, no matter what platforms you choose to start off with, I do not at all recommend trying to do all the platforms at once. What I want you to focus on is working on building a routine, building your habits, get used to creating content and creating your workflow before you try to post content on all the platforms. Because what's going to happen is if you try to do everything all at once, you're going to burn out very quickly. Focus on mastering 2 platforms and then grow from there. So now you've chosen what platforms you want to get started with, it's time to get your basics, your equipment. You don't need any fancy gear to get started, but you do need the basics. A good camera, lighting, and a microphone. You don't need fancy gear. Many of us already have a great camera right in our pockets, which is exactly what I'm using right now. What is it that we see from other creators? Creators that we aspire to be, is they have the fancy cameras. You can create valuable content with just utilizing your phone. You don't need to go into debt to start your content creation journey. Now that you have a camera, let's focus on lighting. Whatever it is that you want to invest in, whether that be a box light, a ring light, a key light, you will want to take a little bit of time learning about some lighting techniques to make your videos more appealing. So as you can see right now, I have a light in front of me and I have lights behind me. And what this does is it helps provide some contrast to the video, separating me from my background. Truly, one of the most important aspects to content creation is your audio. You can create the best visually appealing video, but if your audio is terrible, you are going to lose out on viewers. Again, you don't need to go spend $100, $200, $300 on a microphone. There are so many affordable options out there. Like the microphone that I'm using right now, I got for maybe 15, 20 bucks off Amazon. one plugs directly into my phone, and that's what works for me. Alright, now that you've gotten some of the basics down, it's time to start planning out your content. The first thing that you should be doing is creating a content calendar, because it's going to help you to stay organized and stay consistent. When you're beginning to plan your content, I want you to schedule times for these 4 steps that I call prep. Plan your content, record your content, edit your content, and post your content. Consistency is crucial for content creators to be successful. Consistency can be measured in the work that you're putting in to learn and enhance your new skills, the time you spend engaging with others, and the time that you spend planning and prepping your content while also posting on social media. Some creators have the ability to post 2 to 3 times a day. Others have the ability to post at least once a day, and some creators focus on posting maybe 3 to 4 times a week. Whatever schedule that you create, make sure that it works for you, because consistency is more than just what you post. It's about all of the work that you're putting in. So these were only the first 5 steps to becoming a content creator. So what I want you to do is hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to be covering more steps on what it takes to become a content creator, and I don't want you to miss out. So be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video.